Good afternoon, YouTube. Here's Nick from Meticulous Motors again, and here for sale today we have this super clean 2016 Lexus GS 350 two-wheel drive. This is a pearl tri-coat white, nice beautiful snowflake wheels, not even a scratch or dent on them. This thing is nearly perfect. It's in the wrapper. This is full LED AFS lights, so auto self-leveling lights, and they turn around corners. Got full electronic tuned suspension. Beautiful car. Look at that revised front end. Got the DRLs, those Nike check swoops. Just a little corner damage on the bumper, just super minor, that's it. Tinted windows all the way around, four-wheel disc brakes. Like I said, those beautiful Lexus snowflakes. Got that chocolate interior, just absolutely stunning interior, smoke and pet free, full power on this. Look at how many seat settings there are, even for the passenger seat. So, full perforation on the leather, and then that includes heated and ventilated auto seats. So you can automatically control your heating or your ventilation, of course, automatic AC, XM HD satellite radio, powered by Grace Note, so we get that huge screen with navigation. The screen is not flickering, that would be whatever the camera is picking up, so it is a steady screen. Comes with illuminated vanity mirrors, full LED interior room lighting, and then we get a sunroof, one-touch automatic frameless, rear view mirror with HomeLink, auto dimming, everything included. Sunroof's working flawlessly, beautiful clock, that original Lexus clock, paying that homage to the past there. And then we get a very spacious center console retractable armrest for USB connectivity as well as charging port. And then we get our rear sunshade and our park assist buttons are all activated with that. And then got this nice trackpad here. The leather's still really super clean, really nice there. Ice cold AC, and then that can go into our menu options there. So tons of information there at your disposal with the information about this car. Push to start, has brake hold, automatic headlights, automatic wipers, automatic everything. AC, automatic heated and ventilation. So automatic up and down windows. Got the nice piano black. Got the nice wood grain. Got the nice Japanese wood teak in the door panels, and then the finished brush nickel. I mean, the opulence, the luxury is everywhere. You even get tri-memory seat settings for the passenger side seat. Comes with blind spot detection. It has adaptive cruise control. Comes with the rear shades for the windows, and then all the factory floor mats are present. Got the chocolate back here. Got the upgraded luxury seat back here with the heated dual rear seats, and then all full controls for AC and stereo, rear AC, charging ports. Leather is in perfect condition. Again, smoke and pet free vehicle. Just absolutely stunning. No dings, dents, scratches down the side. It's perfect condition. And then it comes with a power rear trunk. So one touch button for the trunk, and then our tools, jack, spare tire, everything equipped in the back. So it comes with that nice power trunk option. GS 350, park assist, dual exit exhaust, fully loaded, comes with everything. This is in the wrapper, folks. This was my mother's car, so if I can put her in this, you're definitely getting one of the best cars that we sell, because we give her nothing but the best. So definitely this is a rare find. Comes with the power side folding mirrors. Everything's working there. As you can see, the other side folding. So no issues. This is in the wrapper. This is one perfect car. This is a car that you can buy and keep for literally decades beyond this. So heated steering wheel, auto front high beams, then the auto lights, Bluetooth, steering wheel controls, got the wood grain on the steering wheel, perfect logo, got cruise, adaptive, lane keep, and then all the info. You can scroll through there. 66,000 original miles. Revs up perfectly, idles smoothly. At the rear backup camera, and then the mirrors fold down when you put it into that backup mode. And then, as you can see, the ventilated seat, so it goes auto, and it can adjust with the air conditioning. And then the speakers. perfect. Everything is perfect. If you want one of the most perfect vehicles that we have right now, get yourself this vehicle. Full tank of gas, ready to go for the next owner. Again, mother's owner's special vehicle. Snowflakes, keyless smart entry, push to start, auto self-leveling headlights. Look at how beautiful this car is. There will not be another one like this in this integrity, condition. It's just absolutely stunning. Go down to meticulousmotorsinc.com where you can find this one exclusively on there. The 2016 Lexus GS 350 two-wheel drive premium luxury packages all installed. But that's where you're going to find this beautiful Lexus. And then rate, subscribe to our YouTube channel, like or comment on any of our videos, because your feedback is much appreciated. I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video today, and we will see you next time.